Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. So today we have the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato from Mini GT. I know this is an old model, not quite new, but yeah, I had it in my box, so I thought that I just need to unbox it. So let's take a quick look around the box. So classic box art. Pop process one are better, but yeah, it is what it is. So okay, warnings. Okay, here's the Lamborghini logo, here's the Mini GT logo, and on the back, okay, so we have the branding from Lamborghini that this is an officially licensed product. Okay, let's go ahead with the unboxing. I know you guys already love the color because I sure do, and this is another one with those metal flakes color. Currently on my channel I have a lot of these kind of cars. Okay, let's zoom in. The wheels roll freely, looks nice, and we have the Lamborghini badging there as well, looks nice. The side has the Sterrato branding here, not much other than that at the front. Okay, here we have the Lamborghini badging and the beautiful Lamborghini headlights that we can see. Mini GT usually does an excellent job with this, and that too in 1/64 scale. Looks nice. It has a nice aggressive look at the front, I must say. There are wiper tools as you can see. Looks nice. The interior is not painted, just plain black. Moving to the top, here we have the the air intake. Okay, there is a minor defect here, I guess. I think the plastic had some kind of an issue. But again, that's minor. And here's the back of the car, guys. So on the back we have the, let me zoom in, let me focus it better. So we have the Lamborghini logo. The real lights are acrylic inserts, but yeah, okay, you can see the red color at a certain angle. Looks nice, not much details other than that. And of course these are rubber mirrors, but as you can see, guys, like these are really delicate. So compared to other Mini GT mirrors, like these are really delicate, so take care of it. The bottom, okay, so no drills, nothing. So yeah, Mini GT usually does not give any underside drills for Lamborghinis, and of course no tire branding as well. This Lamborghini, guys, was the first Lamborghini ever built for drifting on gravel. So this is not for just driving on the asphalt road. So this you should drive off-road. Looks great, I must say, and again a neat casting from Mini GT. Let's do a quick roll test. Yep, rolls really nicely. Okay guys, that's it from this video. See you guys on the next one.